Prescription Map Operation Tutorial. Topxgun FP400 drone with 4 centrifugal nozzles can perform precise variable rate operations based on prescription maps. The main operations include preparation of prescription map source files, uploading prescription maps to the background, sync prescription maps with the app, and performing operations based on prescription maps. 1. Preparation of prescription map. Use a spectral angle mapper to conduct a survey and export the prescription map source file. Prescription map file format, name.csv. Prescription map file content. The first column, prescription map number. The second column, latitude. The third column, longitude. The fourth column, the required flow rate. 2. Upload the prescription map to the background. 1. Log into the background and upload the prescription map. 2. Click on Plot Management and select Upload Prescription Map. 3. Enter the prescription map name, select the file, and click Determine to upload. 4. Find the prescription map you just uploaded, click Push, enter your Agriculture Assistant app account, and click Determine. 3. Sync prescription map with Agriculture Assistant app. 1. Log into the Agriculture Assistant app with your account. 2. Click Fields and select Prescription Maps. 3. Click Download, select the pushed prescription map and click Determine. 4. After the download is complete, select the prescription map needed. 4. Prescription map field planning operation. 1. Click Ground, select the prescription map field needed. 2. Plan the flight route and set the operation parameters. 3. Confirm the safety parameters before operation and unlock the drone for autonomous operation.